everyone. Hope everybody are doing good. Dentistry is a healing art and science that is concerned with the teeth, oral cavity and associated structures. Dentists are doctors who are specialized in oral health. Their responsibilities include promoting oral health and disease prevention, creating treatment plans to maintain or restore the oral health of their patients. Today, in our channel, a guest will give a wonderful animated session regarding importance of oral health. She is Dr. Ruzwana, the Tooth Place, Chennai.
Hello, I'm Dr. Rizwana, dental surgeon and founder of YouTube channel Dental Jam, here with Jyoti from Life Sciences with Jyoti Shri. Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to discuss the importance of oral health. Did you know that on average, only 25% of the world's population visits the dentist for a general checkup? People only seem to visit the dentist when they have intolerable tooth pain or when their teeth are literally about to fall out. But why is that so? Why do people literally have to be dragged into the dental clinic? Well, I could think of two reasons: fear and expenses. Fear of the dental drill, fear of an injection, fear of the unknown, like what the heck are they going to do inside my mouth? Fear of the pain, and of course, the money. Because we all know dental treatment is not cheap. But all of this could be somewhat avoidable with a regular dental checkup. What's the most common reason we consult the dentist? A cavity. So let's look at the anatomy of a tooth to understand this better. A tooth has three layers: the enamel, dentine, and pulp. In the beginning stages, a cavity will only deteriorate the enamel and dentine. If the cavity is detected at this early stage, it can be restored with a simple restoration, which is neither time-consuming or expensive. But if the cavity extends down to the pulp chamber, that's when it requires the dreaded root canal treatment, which could be pretty expensive. A root canal can require multiple appointments, and it's usually followed by the capping of the tooth, which is also not cheap. A tooth must be capped because after a root canal procedure is done, the tooth becomes like an empty eggshell, which can easily crack, and hence, we must cap the tooth to prevent it from breaking. Sometimes the tooth is so badly damaged that it has to be extracted. The replacement can either be done by bridging or implants, both of which will burn bigger holes in your pocket. A routine checkup could have avoided these expenses. But oral health is not only about cavities and tooth decay. Poor dental health could lead to heart disease, tooth loss, respiratory conditions, bone and joint problems, gum disease, bad breath, and even oral cancer. Did you know that a simple thing such as a sharp tooth constantly irritating your inner cheeks or your tongue can lead to cancer? That's right. But a dentist will be able to identify this disturbance and prevent it from reaching that critical stage, only if the patient goes in for his routine dental checkups. But how does a dentist know all this? That's because a dentist is a trained specialist in the head and neck region. They will be able to diagnose and treat conditions involving the lining of the mouth, the roof and the floor of the mouth, the tongue, the upper and lower jaw bones, as well as the temporomandibular joint, the lips, and the salivary glands. So the maintenance of oral health is very important. Visiting your local dentist every 6 months for a routine checkup is the ideal way to maintain a healthy mouth, because we will be able to educate you on dental hygiene, prevent plaque and tartar buildup with regular cleanings, hence prevent tooth decay and gum disease, educate you about bad habits that will affect your oral health and how to alter your lifestyle to prevent further damage. Check for any other abnormalities in the head and neck region, because your mouth is like a window looking into what's going on with the rest of your body. Certain systemic conditions, such as diabetes and even AIDS, will present itself with classical features in the oral cavity, which a dentist will be able to identify and refer you to the appropriate medical professional. And above all this, we just make beautiful smiles. Because hey, who doesn't love a beautiful smile? It's quite attractive. So there you have it, the importance of oral health. Just remember, good oral health leads to an overall healthy individual. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels, Dental Jam and Life Sciences with Jyoti Shri, for more informative and educational videos.
Thank you, Rizwana ma'am, for such a wonderful session. Hope everybody have enjoyed it. Have a nice day.